low G, high G. What's happening, YouTube? Jason Ricci here, and today we are going to play, and unbox a high G harmonica, as Junior Wells used to talk about in his Hot Licks video, the high G, low G. Subscribe below for over 1,000 free harmonica lessons, product reviews, vlogs, demonstrations, performances, all harmonica all the time here on my YouTube channel. All right, so I got a low G2 here. G, low G, Junior Wells. I can't get that out of my head. I will never say the key of G. And a new progressive high G sent to me by Hohner Harmonicas. I've not actually had this box yet. There it goes. It flips open. Has a nice little case. That is pretty cool. G. So we're going to take it out. We're going to play it. And I'm going to sit on the porch and get two birds stoned at once, enjoying this amazing Romacraft cigar. And my neighborhood, and the birds, and the trees, and the people. And we're going to talk about the high G harmonica. I don't know that many people have talked about it. I did a video on high harps, linked below, and I'm like one of those guys that's into it. I think you got to play them a little different. We've unboxed it. I haven't played it yet. It's completely out of the box. So it is definitely higher than I thought it would be. So like I said in the video about F harps, E flat harps, D harps, a lot of people are going to low harps. They want to go lower. They don't want to go higher. And I understand that. There's a little bit more resonance, or a lot more resonance. Same key. But there's ways to use this one if you use, in my opinion, if you use shorter notes. It is going to cut through the band easier than that one. That one might get buried, actually. And a low F and low E flat can get buried in the volume. And you can also get into what I like to call sonic trespassing. That's when you start playing in that bass clef with the bass player. How would I do something differently on the low G as opposed to the high G? One of the things I might do differently is play like maybe not as long of a note. So instead of like I might play something like this. Just a little nice little short precise thing. Get in there like a hummingbird. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Just short and precise. Let it cut. Whereas on this one, I might let it resonate a little more. Right, that kind of stuff. That kind of stuff. So a little funky one. Let's see. On the 3, you got to be really make your bends really small. That's 3 natural, 3 half step, 3 whole step, and then 3 triple step. I think my whole step was a little flat. Let me try again. Maybe that was better. So the higher up the harmonica, the smaller of a movement you need to make with your tongue and throat. That 3 double bend, I'm going a little too far. There it is, right somewhere around there. Even that 4 draw bend. I like it. I wonder if it overblows. High G overblow out of the box. Let's find out if we can make it do what it do, as Lee Mack says. There's 2. A little bit of a squeak there. So I've got all the overblows. Now with just the tiniest bit of tweaking, if I had a toothpick or I'm looking around for like a stick or something, even if I just had something little like that, I could just push some reeds up a little bit and she'd be perfect. High G. Let's get it. So let's see how she handles some fast playing. little leaky. I got a regular Marine Band too from them in high G, but I have more confidence in the Special 20. It's not a Marine Band Deluxe, it's a regular Marine Band with the nails. But that one might be worth a try, maybe in another video. I'll do that one on Patreon. Shout out to my Patreon patrons. Keeping me alive, keeping me afloat, keeping this house going, keeping you guys having videos for free. But this is a fancy Tom Halchhak, Jason Ricci signature harmonica here. We've got some new ones of these available. This one's playing a whole lot better than the out-of-the-box Hohner. The out-of-the-box Hohner is playing well, very well, especially considering how I came up. The harmonicas that I had at my disposal when I was growing up were not nearly as good as this one. But this right here is something, a whole different animal. But there are occasions when I would still choose the uncustomized high G over a regular low G, and that would be to cut or to play something a little funky. I hadn't seen in a minute. High G. In conclusion, there are certain things that high harmonicas are really good at. The reeds are smaller, which also means that you might not think this, but it means they don't get stuck as frequently as the low harps. The reeds are small enough that when you blow into them and they vibrate, they really kind of break their way through any kind of saliva or something. So that's an advantage to playing higher harmonicas, especially something like an F or an F sharp or a high G. And did you know they even make a high A? So these can be very fun, little funky things to do. They're also very fast. They're very, very fast. And you can really play a lot of stuff. Like I was saying earlier in the video, I don't know if I articulated it well enough. The lower harmonica, even a customized one like this, can sometimes have a harder time getting out articulate, fast phrases that are actually discernible to the listener. Whereas the higher harmonica can get these shorter notes with a little less ambience, but still they cut better. They cut a little better. How you doing? They just cut. And you can get these little fast phrases a lot easier because you're using a lot less wind, and the notes are more discernible individually. So I recently asked Hohner if they would send me a high G, because recently I've been really wanting to go back to playing a high G on certain songs. So it's another flavor, it's another option. Do you have to have a high G? No. If you were only going to have one G, would it be a low G or would it be a high G? For me, I would prefer the low G. If I wanted to play something else in the key of D, I would probably play a C harmonica in third position. That gives me the best of both worlds right in the middle. But I would lose some of my chordal licks. Hi-G. So much fun. What a wonderful little option it is. And I gotta say, right out of the box, this little Special 20 is very impressive. If I wanted it to overblow a little better, I would go in there, and I'm going to put in the extra work because she's worth it. It's got my beautiful friend Nick Clark on the box with his name. If you're ever wondering why Hohner hasn't put me on a box, it's a very easy answer. I'm just too volatile of a character for them to permanently spend their marketing team attaching themselves to. And I'll be honest, I'm proud of that. But I'm also real proud of my buddy Nick Clark, who's a real beautiful cat. And just seeing his face, his puss, right on the cover of this box makes me really happy. Check out Nick Clark. And thank you guys very much for another beautiful Free Friday. I want to thank my sponsors, Blue Moon Harmonicas, my man Tom Halchhak, putting out signature harmonicas, custom combs, Sonny Terry Estate harmonicas, actual Sonny Terry DNA, and owned harmonicas available. Anything you can possibly imagine from the custom harmonica world is available to you at www.bluemoonharmonicas.com. Tell them Jason sent you. Lone Wolf, the Lone Wolf Blues Company, right out of Ponchatoula, Louisiana. My main man, supporter, friend, dear friend, my big brother Randy Landry and his beautiful wife Missy Landry have been supporting me a long time, making the best harmonica pedals, unbelievable guarantees, money back guarantee, 10-year warranty, up to 10 years. Unbelievable. These cats are so good. The products are so amazing, and it's right here in the United States, and just by good people, made by really good people. And then pedal boards. Two brothers out of Topeka. They make the best pedal boards. Mine goes on the road, gets beat up, thrown in the back of the van. It's still doing good. Wait till you guys see what I'm going to do to my new amp, which is a Fender. But when I'm not playing Fenders, I play a Harp gear HT50 made by my man Brian Purdy down in Ocala. That's the only amp I used for really the last 25 years until I started playing on a Twin. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing and liking the video and sharing the video and leaving comments. All of that little stuff helps. Even if you leave a negative comment, that even helps me more because then people write back and increases the ranking. So, yeah, appreciate y'all. Thank you very, very much, and God bless.